Welcome SMF Street Traders live in action. Now, what we're going to take a look at is that we got a nice May Day, I call September 1. September 1, after we were shorting trends in August, because we said that the trend was down. It still is, even in what the bounce is. It doesn't matter. What we're going to take a look at, because here's what matters, SMF Street. This is the daily Bull 3X that we bought. And we bought this yesterday at the bottom. And let's zero in on this daily chart right here, because that's what it was. So this daily move meant that we could not break the trend line, so we bought that long. That's this one here. And it closed at 24.07. We got that yesterday, so we're up $2 there. On the opposite side, SMF Street Trader, in your trade management, is that this trend down here, which is the bear, the one that we had been trading all year at various times, we were long this short breakout, we were long that breakout, and then more importantly is that we were extremely long down here at these bottoms on that daily price action. So we got great moves yesterday. We had a doji daily. We ran into this resistance, and we were selling that as this one here was putting in a bottom daily doji reversal that way, and that doji daily reversal for pulling back. Now, granted that the bear or the bull 3X is still in a downtrend on this daily chart. This bear that we sold into and went long here, that's this one here, SMF Street Traders. And what I want you to know here, and these are both your daily charts. So what I want you to know here is you want to see this one here. Now let's take a look here. The TYP. We were selling yesterday up toward the highs. And we took off 90% and we were buying over here. We had made the great breakout. We had the biggest month of August was wonderful. We were short all the time. However, in volatility management, volatility trade management warranted a big purchase over here. And that one's working for us today. And this one was going to come down. Now, on the daily chart, when this comes down and tests all these daily moving averages, 100-day moving average 50, this has got wonderful support. That's this one here, down 446. They're only giving $2 to the bull, and they're taking $3 or $4.46 away from the bear. So this will be the next wholesale entry. As we let this retail entry, our wholesale entry here, we'll let this run with the retail market. We'll sell into the retail. Then when we get down and test these moving averages, SMF Street Traders, then we'll start getting purchases in here on the bear. So we'll continue to let the bull run, and as the bear comes down to very good prices and tests these breakouts in here at these moving averages, here, let's move this out of the way, SMF Street. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here, let's take the trend tool and let's do something simple. So basically, this is the base of breakout 1. This was breakout 2 off of that support. But here's the most important thing is, when we couldn't take out the highs, that's why we were ringing the cash register. Shame on me once. We went up here, we tested it, we sold off, then they gapped it. There was no follow through. That's why we cashed in on this particular side of the trade, which was this one here, meaning that we were always selling out at the highs, as we always do. Now we're going to buy down here in those moving averages. On the bear one, on the bull one, SMF Street, because we're good at what we do, we're going to let this one run the course. We'll see if we come up here, see what happens at the 20-day simple moving average. The 50-day and the 40-day moving average, SMF Street Traders, is still above the market. There's room to run. Plus, this is where the broader part of this chart here, we were shorting this at the highs. Okay? Way back when. And this was that bull that just got, it got cremated. 45 down here. What a haircut. We were in on that. Well, what we did was we got short-term imbalancedly oversold, and we've gotten that bounce. on this one now. But we waited for a long time to get net long. When that price right here was it broke SMF Street, it had an uptrend. We even went long on those days, but we knew that it wasn't breaking the lows yesterday. Not that why we bought it. This is why we got it. This is why we've been telling everyone every single day in the live trading room at SMF Street. True story. This one here couldn't take out the price. So price made, price fell. And this is in a downtrend. This is going to test its uptrend when it comes down here and tests those moving averages. Good job, SMF Street traders. Once again, folks, 3 Bull X versus, oh my goodness, here it is, the bear. The bear will pull back, test its uptrend. That's at these moving averages. This will hold long and sell into these moving averages.